Kumgang NES, a leading enterprise in electrical safety. As technology advances and industries become more sophisticated, power supply has become more stable and abundant. Electricity is an essential energy source in our life. However, behind this convenience lies the risks of electric shocks and fires caused by leakage. According to the Korea Electrical Safety Corporation's statistics, the average number of casualties due to electric shocks over the past 5 years is 450. To create a safer world for everyone, Kumgang NES began with a thought: is there a way for all of us to use electricity safely without the risk of electric shock? With this in mind, we have continuously researched and developed electrical safety technologies to prevent casualties and property damage caused by electric shocks and fires. Finally, through relentless research and technological innovation, Kumgang NES has launched the leakage current limiting power supply, which can prevent electric shocks and electrical fires. With a leakage current limiting solution, add zero electric shocks to safety. Kumgang NES. The main principle of the leakage current limiting power supply developed with Kumgang NES's patented technology is as follows. The power and current use has a TN or TT type in which the power system is directly grounded. As shown in the diagram, in the situation where a person gets shocked by electricity, the leakage current is only limited by the body's resistance, and high leakage current flows through the ground, posing a risk of electric shock. In contrast, Kumgang NES leakage current limiting power supply grounds the power system with high impedance, converting the traditional TN or TT system to an IT system. The leakage current is limited by the high impedance of the red fault loop and the human body's resistance. The power supply minimizes the risk to people and equipment that can arise from leakage current. Kumgang NES leakage current limiting power supply ensures a stable power supply. The leakage current limiting power supply limits the leakage current occurring in the entire line and load to 5 milliamperes or less in case of electrical faults such as ground faults, leakage, or flooding. It not only prevents electric shock accidents and ensures a stable power supply. Even if an electrical fault occurs, it is impossible to reach the rated sensitivity current of the earth leakage circuit breaker, 30 milliamperes. Therefore, secondary accidents caused by the power off of the earth leakage circuit breaker can be prevented. Kumgang NES leakage current limiting power supply protects against electrical faults from the load to the line. Since the product limits the leakage current through the primary switching of the switchboard, it protects people and equipment in case of electric leakage, flooding, human electric shock in all sections from the switchboard to the line facilities. In addition, it immediately triggers an alarm corresponding to a specific line in case of ground faults, leakage, or flooding in that line. Furthermore, even in the situation where power outages are unacceptable, it can supply power during ground faults, leakage, or flooding. Additionally, it prevents fires caused by grounding system faults, such as ground faults and condensation. When the communication function is added, it is possible to provide immediate audio-visual alerts, as well as long-distance LTE communication notifications, supporting immediate responses. Secure electrical shock safety with a proven Kumgang NES leakage current limiting power supply. 73% of electrical shock accidents occur during electrical work or maintenance work by managers. The leakage current limiting power supply secures electrical shock safety through IT system conversion, alleviating the management burden at sites where it is required to comply with the Serious Accidents Punishment Act. Kumgang NES leakage current limiting power supply complies with the revised Korean Electrotechnical Code, KEC. The revised KEC redefines earth leakage circuit breaker, previously used for primary protection against electrical faults, as an additional protective device and requires fundamental protective measures for safety. Kumgang NES leakage current limiting power supply is certified by technology and verified in the field. Thanks to the unique technology of Kumgang NES leakage current limiting power supply, it is patented and has proven its safety through the Electrical Appliances Safety Certificate, KC, and test reports of the official testing agency, Korea Laboratory Accreditation Scheme, KOLAS. Kumgang NES leakage current limiting power supply has various models based on capacity. Kumgang NES leakage current limiting power supply limits the leakage current, which occurs in all power line load devices connected to the secondary output of the switchboard, including the switchboard itself, to 5 milliamperes or less. This effectively prevents electric shocks and subsequent fires caused by leakage current, protecting both citizens and workers. In addition, it not only prevents frequent trips caused by the operation of the earth leakage circuit breaker, but also ensures safe electricity use without electric shock accidents in all areas that need safe power supply. Due to its preventive effects against electrical accidents, the leakage current limiting power supply is an essential and innovative electrical safety system in various fields, including construction sites, swimming pools, underpasses, bathhouses, cafeterias, electric vehicle charging stations, hospitals, daycare centers, water and sewage treatment facilities, and conveyor belts. Kumgang NES, recognized for its technological prowess, is now in partnership with numerous enterprises and local governments.
기술이 발전하고 산업이 고도화됨에 따라 전기는 필수적인 에너지원으로 자리 잡았습니다. 전기는 우리의 삶을 풍요롭게 하지만 이면에는 안전에 대한 위험성이 존재합니다. 이에 대해 우리 금강 NES는 안전기술 및 제품을 지속적으로 연구하여 감전 및 전기 화재가 없는 세상을 만들기 위해 최선을 다하겠습니다.
Prioritizing human safety and a more enriched life, Kumgang NES is a leading company in electrical safety technology. Guided by the core values of creativity and innovation, our company takes leadership to lead a happy and safe future. With our innovative leakage current limiting solution, we will make a world where everyone can use electricity safely, without the risk of electric shocks and fires. With a leakage current limiting solution, add zero electric shocks to safety. Kumgang NES.
네, 안녕하십니까? 네, 금강 NES입니다. 지금부터 저희 무감전 제품에 대한 시연을 시작하겠습니다. 저 왼쪽에 보이는 장비는 저희의 무감전 기술이 탑재된 감전 방지 이동형 가설 분전반입니다. 가운데 수조는 저희가 시연을 보여드리기 위해서 직접 수조에 물을 담고 배전반을 침수시킨 모습을 연상시킨 겁니다. 마지막으로 우측엔 저희가 직접 그라인더의 부하를 작동시켜서 실제로 한번 보여드리고자 준비를 했습니다. 네, 지금 침수된 배전반에 전기가 들어갔고 실시간으로 전압과 누설 전류가 확인되고 있습니다. 누설 전류는 1.3mA 이하로 굉장히 안전한 수준이라고 보시면 됩니다. 지금부터는 실질적으로 시연을 한번 보여드리겠습니다. 이 전기 부하가 정상적으로 작동한다는 것과 그리고 손을 넣었을 때 감전사고로부터 보호가 된다는 거 한번 보여드리도록 하겠습니다. 제가 온 버튼을 누르는 순간 배전반에는 전기가 투입이 되고 이 배전반은 침수가 된 상태이기 때문에 우리의 무감전 제품은 침수 경보를 올려줄 수가 있습니다. 이 경보는 특정 선로의 이상을 경보할 수가 있고 이 실시간 시청각 경보뿐만 아니라 LTE 통신을 통해서 핸드폰으로도 알림을 받을 수가 있습니다. 마지막으로 2023년 7월경에 오송 지하차도에서 홍수로 인해서 배수펌프가 부동작하는 사고가 있었습니다. 이를 통해서 사고를 더 가속화했다는 평가를 받고 있고 목욕탕에서의 감전 사고들도 다수 발생을 했었습니다. 이에 대해 우리의 무감전 제품을 적용하면 이러한 사고들을 예방할 수 있습니다.